Hello friends, welcome to the Doctutorial Quick Bite. Now we will discuss about the fate of glucose in the kidney. Point number 1, what is the filtration load? How much glucose is filtered per minute? It is approximately 100 milligram per minute. The second point, what is transport maximum? The maximum amount of glucose that can be reabsorbed by SGLT2, and one is called as Tmax or transport maximum, and that is 375 milligram per minute. So filtered load is 100 milligram per minute and Tmax is 375 milligram per minute. So no glucose pass beyond PCT normally. But if we keep on increasing random blood glucose, a time will come when glucose started coming in the urine, and that is called as renal threshold of glucose. So renal threshold of glucose is the minimum amount of blood glucose after which glucose start coming in urine, and that value is 180 milligram per deciliter. This is the actual value, but if you calculate, it will be different. So what is the calculated renal threshold of glucose? That value is 300 milligram per deciliter, and the difference between the actual value and the calculated value, this is called as splay. And what is the cause of splay, doctor? Cause of splay is heterogeneity of the nephron. All nephron have different Tmax and filtration capacity. This is the reason we have splay. Thank you.